Hey, lovely people, Coupon Crystal here with a Publix Ibotta Haul. Did Publix today, guys, because the new ad started today, Wednesday. They got some great deals, and I've got to share it with my lovely people. All right, guys, let's jump into it. The first rebate I decided to do was on the Cracker Barrel Oven Baked Mac and Cheese. I got two flavors, guys. It looks like it has breadcrumbs on it, so I'm super excited to try it. These were priced $4.49. Buy one, get one free in my Publix. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.49 in store, but there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate coming back for each one, giving me back $3 from Ibotta, making the final cost only $1.49 for the two bags. Yes. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever tried this type of Cracker Barrel mac and cheese. It's an oven bake. Excited to try it. Looks like something you need to make on a Sunday. The next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese. This was priced $3.07 in my Publix. Buy one, get one free this week. So at my Publix, you have the option to just purchase one product if you would like to for the buy one, get one free, and it will ring up at half price. All right. So mine was $1.54 because I only purchased one. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.54 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 54 cents for the Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese. The next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Cracker Barrel. Yes, this one is macaroni and cheese dinner Parmesan white cheddar. Don't that sound good? Now, this one was priced $4.49. Buy one, get one free in my Publix. Only purchased one, so it was $2.24. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.24 in store. There's a $1.50 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only 74 cents for the Cracker Barrel mac and cheese. Y'all like the macaroni sound effects? The next rebate I did, I'm swimming in macaroni, guys, was the Velveeta. This one is actually broccoli flavored. I think that's going to be good, guys. The Velveeta was priced buy one, get one free on sale, $3.07. Only purchased one, so one is $1.53. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.53 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only 53 cents. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Campbells Well Yes Soup. All right, so these were priced $1.99 in my Publix, but in the savings flyer at Publix, that's at the front of the store, there is a coupon for buy one and get one free. All right, so $3.98 for the two. I gave the coupon of $1.99 to the cashier, so she took off one. So I only paid $1.99 for the two. Now there is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate. To that 1.75 rebate, it would be $1.24 for the two, which is still not a bad deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Krusteaz Pancake Mix. It was on sale at my Publix. Buy one, get one free, $2.79. I only purchased one, so it was $1.40. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.40 in store. But there is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only 90 cents. I think that is a great deal. Let me tell you about this next rebate, guys. When I tell you I wanted this rebate real bad, that I went to two Publix. The first Publix had a power outage, so all their cold items, you could not purchase anything refrigerated, anything frozen in the store. Okay. Then I get to the second Publix, which is actually in the city I live in, and darn if the whole case of these was empty. You know I was pissed. I was like, you got to be kidding me. These couponers done got in here and bought all the Sara Lee. But guess what? The third case, they had a problem with the case. The case was messed up in that Publix. And I seen a worker and I was like, so the case is empty. Does that mean y'all out of the Sara Lee? He was like, no, the case is acting up. It's in the back. I was like, oh, so can you go get me? I promise you guys, I wanted this one and I wanted the one that's got like the turtle, like the chocolate stuff on top. I sent that man back there 3 times. I kid you not. Because he brought this one out. He kept coming out with the wrong thing. He kept bringing me a whole pie. I didn't want the whole pie. I want the individual ones. I said, I know you tired of me. He was like, no, it's okay. But it sure is cold in there. It's cold in the cooler. I'm sorry. Bring me the right one. And then you will have to go back. Okay. Let's get on with the video. The Sara Lee, guys. Yes, the Sara Lee, the little individual cheesecakes are on sale this week at Publix. $5.99. Buy one and get one free. This is an amazing deal, guys, because there's $1 Ibotta rebates coming back. Yes. So I had to pay $5.99 in store for the two packages. I got back $2 from Ibotta, making the final cost $3.99 for the 2 boxes. That is amazing. These things are delicious, and it's 4 little individual cheesecakes in each one of the boxes. Okay, so I have these. I have a box already open in my refrigerator. I ate one last night, and so these 2 will go in the freezer, because what I do, I take strawberries and I chop them up and I put sugar on them, let them sit in the refrigerator a little bit, and then I put it on our cheesecake, and that's our dessert. Yeah. I can't blame my extra fat on the quarantine. It's just because I like to eat. It ain't got nothing to do with the pandemic. Okay. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the No Cow protein bar. This one is a peanut butter and chocolate chip. It was priced $2.79 in my Publix. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.79 in store, guys. There's a $1.40 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $1.39 for the No Cow. Next thing I decided to get, guys, was not an Ibotta rebate. However, it was a good deal because I like this stuff. Okay, this is the Promised Land strawberry flavored milk. Woo! When I tell you this stuff is good, this stuff is good. This was priced 2 for $7 or $3.50 for one. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.50 in store. But you're going to scan it in store with Shopkick. You're going to get some kicks for scanning in store. Plus, you're going to get kicks for uploading your receipt, which is going to give you back $1.68, making the final cost for the strawberry Promised Land milk only $1.82. That's a great deal, guys, because this stuff is really tasty. Okay, the next thing I decided to get was the ocean spray. Okay, now I did pay for this separate, so I'm not going to include it in the total because I actually took this out of our household food money. Yes, so this is the ocean spray crayon grape, and this week at Publix, the ocean spray juices are $2.79. Buy one and get one free, which is an amazing deal. So I got both of these for $2.79. Yes, I think I need to go back and get some more. So let's talk about the numbers. Yes, how much money did this cost me? All right, everything, guys, was $23.96 before coupons. I only had one coupon, that Publix coupon that was in the savings flyer, taking off $1.99, dropping my cost to $21.97 is what I had to pay in store. Now, rebate wise, what I got back was $14.15 total. I did 2 trips because remember I had to go to one Publix, then I had to turn around and come here to my Publix. I did happen to hit a bonus because of all that macaroni and cheese products that I purchased, guys. 5 actual rebates was accomplished apparently for this bonus that I didn't even know I got. Give me $1.50 additional back. That was amazing. Now I got back $1.68 from Shopkick, which dropped my cost all the way down to $4.64 for 12 items. That is 39 cents per item. Amazing deal, guys. Very pleased with my Publix haul, guys. Let me know in the comments below of the video if you guys are going to check out Publix this week. Let me know in the comments below of the video, guys, if this was helpful for you. Of course, you make sure you go and get your Google document. It will be linked in the description box of the video. Now, if you missed my last video, guys, I did a Walmart Ibotta haul, and in that video, I shared with you guys a new printable to keep track of your Ibotta money, guys. Yes, your Ibotta money log. Let me know who's using their Ibotta money log. I'm definitely using it, guys, and it's going to be so fun to share it with you guys. We'll do a live and share what we've been accomplishing. I think we should do it at the end. Maybe we should do it at the end of April or something, or maybe the middle of April. Give us some time to accumulate some money, honey. All right, that's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.